In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Shopify store password easily and efficiently. Managing your online store security settings is crucial, and knowing how to access your store password can help maintain the privacy and protection of your business. So let's dive right into it and ensure you have all the necessary steps to find your Shopify password without any hassle. To begin, once you've logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find a feature-rich menu that's all about managing various aspects of your Shopify store. Look for the option labeled Online Store. It's usually prominently listed because it's a key part of your Shopify experience, handling everything from themes to pages, and most importantly for us today, the preferences. Once you've clicked on Online Store, you'll be presented with several more options. Today, we are particularly interested in the Preferences section, so go ahead and select that. This area is a vital part of your store settings, controlling everything from your Google Analytics settings to your password page. Now that you're in the Preferences section, it's here that you will see the current password that protects your online store. This password serves as the key to your business, allowing you or whoever you've shared it with to access the store in its secure, password-protected state. Having direct access to this information is crucial for situations where you might need to update or reset it, perhaps in response to new team members joining or simply as a routine security measure. From here, you might want to take a moment to review the current password settings. If it suits your needs for security, then you're all set. However, if you decide, for any reason, to update or change this password, that's something you can also do from this section with ease. Finally, don't forget to click Save before exiting this area, especially if you've made any changes. Saving ensures that your preferences are up to date, locking in any new settings you might have configured during your session. Once saved, your store settings are ready to go, and you can return to running your business with peace of mind, knowing that your password is properly managed and secure. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly check and manage your Shopify store password. Keeping tabs on your security settings is an essential part of safeguarding your online business. And hopefully, this guide has made that process that much simpler for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.